In this video, you'll learn how to create tags in Klaviyo, a powerful tool for email marketing automation. Tags in Klaviyo are an excellent way to organize and manage your campaigns, helping you keep everything streamlined and efficient. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to set up your own tags effortlessly. First things first, let's dive into your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the absolute bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll notice your organization or account name. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up a pop-up menu, providing you with a variety of options to manage your account. From this pop-up menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you'll find the key features that help you customize and control your Klaviyo experience. By accessing the settings, you're on your way to creating a more organized and tailored environment for your email marketing efforts. Now, take a look at the left-hand side of the settings panel. Here, you'll see several different tabs. Scroll down until you find the Tags tab. Clicking on Tags will direct you to the section where you can create and manage your tags easily. This panel is your new best friend when it comes to keeping your campaigns tidy and categorized. Once you're in the Tags section, you'll have the opportunity to create your individual tags. This process is straightforward, but it's essential to have a clear idea of the categories or themes you want to organize your content by. Think about your marketing strategy and how you can best segment your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. To create a tag, simply click on the Create Tag button. Here, you can enter a name for your tag. It's important to choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose or the content it will be associated with. This clarity will make it easier for you and your team to understand and utilize the tags effectively. As you create each tag, consider how they fit into your overall marketing strategy. Are there specific campaigns, events, or customer segments that could benefit from being tagged? Well thought out tags can significantly enhance your ability to target and personalize your email marketing efforts. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to create tags in Klaviyo. By organizing your campaigns with tags, you can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your email marketing strategy. Remember, the more organized your campaigns are, the better you can tailor your messaging to your audience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to explore other features in Klaviyo to further enhance your marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and happy tagging.